Hey guys, it's Dr. Rick from SurfFit 50, and what I'd like to start talking about is surfer's shoulder. Surfer's shoulder is really common among us surfers because we spend about 50% of our time in the water paddling, and as we get older, obviously our prevalence of surfer's shoulder is even higher because we have a lot more postural changes, we have a lot more muscle imbalance, and as we get 50, 60 and older, we start to develop some degenerative or arthritic changes within the shoulders. So that's going to impede our paddling ability and our efficiency, and it's going to put us in a lot more likelihood for injury. Myself, about 10 years ago, I suffered a bicep tear as well as a rotator cuff tear, had surgery, had my left shoulder reconstructed, was in a sling for a few months, and then couldn't get back into the water for about 6 months. So what I'm hoping to do with this series is kind of give you guys some screenings, some mobility exercises, some strength and endurance exercises to kind of help prevent any sort of occurrence of surfer's shoulder. So we're going to start this video series just by doing a couple of quick screens that you can do at home to try to target where you have maybe some muscle imbalances or some strength issues that you can work on. Okay, so we're going to give you 4 screens to kind of look at your shoulder to see if you have any sort of imbalances or weaknesses or things like that. First one is just a shoulder flexion. You want to get against the wall, keep your low back as well as your head against the wall, core tight, and all you want to do is bring both arms nice and straight up towards the wall and then nice and slowly down. You some people will kind of fan out like this. Some people may kind of like cut their back off the wall and kind of do this. So try that exercise or screen and see where you feel that. The next one, again, same position, back against the wall, head against the wall. And all you're gonna do is kind of do like an angel in the snow, go all the way up like this, and then go all the way down. Okay, nice and slow. Repeat that. Where do you feel that? Do you feel that kind of in the top here? Does something hurt? Something pull? Does your back come against the wall? Or are you kind of doing this? So kind of make it a little bit of a note of that. Next one is same position. Bring your elbows and shoulders up to about a 90-degree position here. Everything's tight, and all you want to do is basically push all the way up and then go all the way down. And how does that feel? Do you feel pulling here? Here? Does it feel like your shoulders are rounding? Are you getting any kind of funky, kind of clicking, snapping pain? Make a note of that as well. And the last one is just more, we call like an Apley test, is you're gonna take your right hand, put it behind your back here, take your left hand, put it here. Have somebody look at the distance between both of your hands and then do the exact opposite. Take your left arm, put it here, right here, and notice if there's a difference. As you can tell, when I take my right arm, push it up here, you can see how high it goes. My left, not so much. I can kind of get it there, but again, when I do that, I feel a lot of pulling in kind of this anterior shoulder aspect. So I want you to take you through those 4 kind of screens, kind of make a note. Do you feel tight in the lats? Do you feel tight in the pecs? Any sort of clunking, clicking, or kind of pain on the top of the shoulders. So just be aware of that because that's really going to affect where we're going to go with your exercises. Next time, what we're going to do is we're going to give you some soft tissue mobility to work on in your pecs and lats, and we'll give you a couple of stretches as well. But hopefully this was helpful. SurfFit50.com is the website, and also we have a YouTube channel as well, so check that out, and we'll see you guys next time.